we'll treasure. Everything's better when hanging out with Phoebe and Jay.
Hey, Phoebe and Jay.
Woo! Hey, hey, Phoebe and Jay.
One PB&J with extra jelly, cut in triangles, no crust. And one PB&J with extra peanut butter, cut in squares with a side of Phoebe's crust. Please and thank you. Ugh, this is taking forever.
Phoebe, sometimes you gotta wait for something great.
Like PB&J's, all ready.
Finally, let's get snack-a-lackin'.
Dad, can I have the tablet after snack? I want to watch nature videos.
Aw, but I want to watch music videos.
I think you can take turns.
Hey! My turn first!
My turn first.
Mine!
Mine!
Phoebe! You knocked over the box?
Oh, yeah! That's the last box from our move. We just started using it as a table and never unpacked it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, snap! This is the stuff from back in my college days. Check it out. My drumline hat.
Oh. Dad, is your head still this big?
Yep.
Hey now, big head means big ideas.
Was this yours too?
No, that was your mom's. See?
Paris. That was Mommy's name.
Wow. Oh, her purple glitter pen. So sparkly.
That was Mommy's majorette jacket. She was the best dancer in the 4 Hampton Floettes at school.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum. Come on, Phoebes, put it on, and we can play drumline.
Okay, I can't wait to dance just like Mom.
Woo-wee!
That jacket's a little stinky.
A little stinky? That stank is funkier than one of my drum beats. It probably hasn't been washed in a really long time.
It can't be that bad. I mean, if you just... That jacket needs a wash before you wear it, sugar.
Wash? But that's gonna take forever. And I really, really, really want to wear the jacket right now.
Let's be patient, Phoebe. Remember, sometimes you gotta wait for something great.
Okay.
I'll help you.
Me too.
Yabbas, let's get washing.
Then I'll get to wear you and dance just like Mommy. See you soon, jacket. We're gonna wash you just like my PJs.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! This jacket is special. I'm not sure we can wash it like other clothes. See? If it gets tossed and turned around in that big old washing machine, these little shiny sequins will fall off.
But that's the sparkle.
If we can't use the washing machine, though, how are we gonna clean the jacket?
This'll tell us. Ha-ha! All our clothes have tags with instructions for how to wash them.
Even my t-shirt?
Let me see. Huh.
These pictures and words show us the steps we need to do to wash the jacket. This is a drawing of a washing machine with a big X through it.
A big X. X means no. Does that mean no washing machine?
Haha, that's right. These words say, do not machine wash. And see here? What do you think this means?
That looks like a hand washing something. Does it mean we should wash the jacket with our hands?
Yeah, you got it. This says hand wash only. So we'll wash the jacket with our hands instead of the machine. Here, the tag says, do not tumble dry. So no dry machine. We need to lay flat to dry. Then we'll be all done.
So many steps. It'll take a million bajillion years to clean the jacket that way, and I want to wear it right now.
Oh, purple glitter pen. Mom wrote this.
Will you read it, Grandma?
It says for extra sparkle, dry in the sun.
I remember she saved and saved for months to buy this jacket. So she was real particular about taking care of it. She didn't even let me wash it.
This jacket helps me remember, Mommy. I want to clean it the right way to save the sparkly sequins, even if it takes a long, long, long time.
Oh, you got this, baby girl. Do you remember the steps?
Uh-huh. Step 1. We don't use the washing machine. We wash the jacket with our hands.
Step 2. We don't use the dryer. We lay it flat to dry on a table.
Step 3. Like Mommy's note said, we dry it in the sun for extra sparkle.
Alrighty. Step 1. To wash the jacket with our hands, we gotta fill up this tub with water. Then we can add soap and use our fingers to rub the jacket till it's clean.
Ugh, water, go faster. Faster, faster, faster.
Remember, Phoebe, sometimes you gotta wait for something great. Won't it be great when Mommy's jacket is nice and clean?
Yeah?
Well, sometimes waiting is easier if we don't spend the time paying attention to what we're waiting on.
But then, what are we supposed to pay attention to?
Come on! What can we do while we wait? What can we do while we wait?
We can make a song and dance all day.
Filling up the water. Filling up the water.
Waiting is fun. We're
Done!
Yay! The tub is full. We're ready to wash you, jacket.
We just need the soap and... Oh, no. We don't have any more.
Ugh, what are we gonna do now?
Well, don't you worry, sugar. Like I always say, if you're out of detergent, you can use shampoo if it's urgent. And I always got my shampoo on me. You never know when life's gonna try and mess with your hair.
So many bubbles.
Wash with those hands, Yamas. There, all clean.
Remember what we do next, babies?
Step 1 is done. So now we gotta do step 2 and dry the jacket. But no dryer. We lay the jacket flat on a table to dry.
And step 3, lay it in the sun. Like Mommy's note says, that's how you get extra sparkle. Lay it flat, check. In the sun, check. Now you just gotta dry, jacket. It's probably dry now? Nope. Now it's definitely still wet. It's gotta be wet.
Phoebe, it takes time for things to dry. Remember?
Yeah, sometimes you gotta wait for something great. Mommy's jacket will be so great when it's dry. I know what to do.
Oh,
What can we do while we wait?
Yeah,
We can make a song and dance all day. What can we do while we wait?
Oh,
Let's sing about while we're waiting. First we fill the water, then we wash with our hands. Lay it flat in the sun, gonna dry, then do our dance. Oh no, Mommy's jacket!
No, 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 no!
It's gone.
Oh, sugar, I'm sorry. I know your mama's jacket was special to you. To all of you.
I miss your mom so much.
Me too, Daddy. Me too.
We worked so hard. We washed and waited and dried in the sun. And now the jacket's gone forever. And I never even got to wear it.
I know, baby. But you followed all the instructions. And you took such good care of Mommy's jacket.
Mm-hmm. She'd be so proud.
You know, cleaning the jacket was such a great way to remember her. Even if we don't have it anymore.
The jacket! It's back!
It is back. And you're clean, dry, and ready to wear.
Come on, put it on!
Oh yeah, we did it. Clean the jacket, we did it.
Go, Phoebe!
That's my girl.
Go, Phoebe.
Yes, girl!
I feel so happy I get to remember Mommy by wearing her very own jacket.
It looks so good on you, baby.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. Love you, Jay.
Love you, Phoebes.
Love you, Mommy. And now, everyday exploring. Come on.
My name is Luke, and today we're going to learn about addresses. Oh, yeah, I love this. I'm writing a letter to Grandma today. How do I feel? And what should I say? Can we write something in the heart?
What do you want to write on there for Grandma?
I love you so much that you make my heart sign.
Grandma's gonna love it. So here's an envelope. First, we'll write her name and her address, and then we'll mail it to her.
Write down her name, number, and street. That's the address, makes it complete.
So what's the last step, Luke?
A stamp.
Great job, Luke. We have Grandma's name, where she lives, the city, the state, and her zip code.
Walk down the sidewalk, drop it in the box. Here comes the carrier, opens up the lock. They read your name and your address too. They know where to take it. They know it for you. When you open it up, you're going to dance all day. The sun's going to shine, clouds will all roll away.
I love you so much that you make my heart shine.
I mail my love to you.
Oh, my sweetheart, look it, I got your card. Oh my goodness, oh, they're all over my face. I love it.
Goodbye, Grandma. I love you.
Phoebe and Jay is made possible in part by a Ready to Learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, the Grable Foundation, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Find more of your PBS Kids friends on your local PBS station and the free PBS Kids video app. Also subscribe to the PBS Kids Prime Video channel.